Welcome back, folks. In this video, I want to go through another example of the 5-minute scalping strategy. I'm not going to go through all the rules. There is a playlist for the 5-minute scalping strategy, so go and watch the first video in that playlist if you want to understand the rules. Okay, so here we have a displacement on a 5-minute chart. Okay, however, we have already filled in the gaps right on the way down. Okay, so what that means is when we have the pullback in this move, even though it's coming into these two up candles, okay, which is the bearish order block, that's not a entry to go short and target this low, right? That would be the entry that once you get a displacement, you're looking for a move back up, okay, and then you're looking for repricing lower and targeting the swing low, okay? However, in this case, there are no, where this has come into, right, this gap has already been balanced, okay, with this move in the original displacement, okay? So that's why that move up there to down there, while you could have taken that as a setup, right, nothing wrong with that, but it doesn't meet the 5-minute scalping strategy rules, okay? The 5-minute scalping strategy rules are that you've got to come back to the original fair value gap, right, the highest one, and that's what happens in the next move up, okay? So we have this entire move down as the displacement, okay, and then this move back up into this original top highest fair value gap, as per all my other examples, is where you would want to wait for a pullback into. And that could mean sometimes you will not get the setup, and that's okay, right? This is the strategy, and these are the rules, okay? So that's the displacement all the way down there, okay? And then this is the pullback, right, into that fair value gap. And that's where would be the entry for this strategy, targeting minimum 50 pips or the swing low where the pullback began. And that's actually quite a nice move, okay? If we simply measure from where we've come into it at that high down to there, that's over 120 pips. So very easy to grab 50, 60, 70 pips, okay? Now, I didn't trade any of these moves down, right? So there was your pump up. There was your displacement, right? So this was your displacement, okay? There was your pump back up into the fair value gap, right? There's your target, swing low, all 50 pips, and there's a move down, okay? That established the exit, okay? So that's it. That's the 5-minute scalping strategy. Go back, go test it, okay? I didn't trade this short. Instead, I took this long, okay? I did a separate video on that. I'll be publishing that soon, and I'll also publish out this trade and journal it soon as well, as back up to these highs, okay? So go back, study these charts, go watch the videos in the playlist on the 5-minute scalping strategy, and I hope the video helps, and I'll continue to provide more examples to increase your learning on this strategy, and I'll keep adding it to the playlist. I will now talk with you in a future video.